Hello everyone, 16 divided by a equals 2. Bracket 1 plus 1, close bracket 2, 2, put the bracket, then multiply. So 2 into 2 equals 2. This is the answer, but this is the wrong answer according to the PEMDAS rule. According to the standard order of operations, we must first evaluate the expressions contained within the parentheses. After that is complete, the operations of division and multiplication actually hold the exact same level of priority, so we must check the equation from left to right. When checking from left to right, we simply solve whichever operation appears first in the sequence. The same rule applies for addition and subtraction as well. So now, looking at 16 divided by 8, let's solve the bracketed part first. 1 plus 1 equals 2. Now we can remove the bracket and multiply, which gives us 16 divided by 8 times 2. According to the BODMAS rule, division comes first in this specific sequence, followed by multiplication second. So 16 divided by 8 results in 2, and then 2 times 2 equals 4. This is the final result of our calculation.